Here we have item B0602. This item comes in 5 different colors. We have the pink one here. It's got the beads all around it, the fringe beads down here, sequins throughout it. We have the gold, same thing with the fringe and the tassels down here. Sequins, beads, 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 right in the center. Here is the white. This one is used a lot for bridal, for children's baptism, christening gowns. You could also use this on the shoulder as kind of like outside of the shoulder pads on the shoulder like that. The black one's also used for the shoulders. Those big shoulders have been super in this season. Yeah, the black is really beautiful. On an evening dress, you could just put this in the center of the chest, like right below the chest area, and it really goes a long way. And finally, we have the blue one here. Especially the colored ones, like the blue, pink, and the gold, are used for dance costumes. So if you have different colored costumes, this would make it super easy to use the same design, but have it in different colors. Comment below, let us know what you guys use this for, and enjoy. And it is made out of organza, so hand wash or dry clean only. Light blue, pink, gold, white, and black.